Here's how to keep your iPhone screen on. Now, let's head into the settings first, and we're going to scroll down from here, and we're going to choose display and brightness. So tap on that. And then we're going to scroll down again, and there are two different things you can look at. One is auto lock. So tap on auto lock, and if you switch this to never, it says essentially your iPhone screen will never dim and lock even if you don't touch it. So if I just set my phone down on a table, it will never go to sleep. Now, another option you have to keep the display always on is to turn on the always on display. Now I can toggle this on and turn everything on, and it says always on display dims the lock screen while keeping information like your time and widgets and notifications visible. So this is different from the auto lock. Essentially, auto lock means your phone never locks or goes to the home screen. But this means if you do press that side button, or if your phone locks and it requires that Face ID to unlock it, you'll still be able to see the clock, notifications, etc., the wallpaper, all of that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.